Hi everybody, I need some little fermenters for an experiment I'm doing. Those come in apple juice containers like that, so I'm making cider today, and what I'm doing first is actually deciding which apple juice I want to use. So this is sort of the long life kind that you get off the shelf, and this is the sort that you get in the fridge that's, I suppose, got less stuff in it, but maybe more natural. I don't know, let's try them out. So this one tastes like what I expect apple juice to taste like. This one tastes, yeah, that's actually quite sweet. But let's not just trust what I say. I am going to get a second opinion on this. So where's Dog? Dog, Ray. Ah, there he is. Hi, Dog. Now, can you try these out and tell me which one you like the best? There we go. Just giving him a hand because he doesn't have opposable thumbs. Makes it a bit difficult. Here comes the verdict. So, Dog, which one do you reckon? And looks like he's running away with that one. So that's what we'll be using for the thing. So, off to the shops and back I come with a whole bunch of mini fermenters full of apple juice. Yeah, as I said, doing an experiment later, so I want to ferment some stuff in little batches. And right now I'm sanitizing my gear, getting ready, and this is quite simple. Splenda. Now this is artificial sweetener. I know people use lactose because but the main consumer of this is sort of lactose intolerant, so I'm using Splenda. Last time I used this, I used 8 grams a litre, which was way too much, so this time I'm halving it and using about 4 grams a litre. So once Idiot Face remembers to take the plasticky bit off, we'll pour all these in. In goes the Splenda, stir it around, and then that's the last one. So I think I've put in 5 of those. That makes 15 litres plus another 3. There we go. So 18 litres in total, and I'm watering it down to get sort of the alcohol strengthness that I'm after. Give it a stir, and Mangrove Jack's cider yeast, which reckons it can be used between like 8 and 30 degrees, I think. I put the numbers up down the bottom. And yeah, so I don't know what temperature to ferment this at, but I guess I'll just do it at like beer temp. Whatever. Who knows? I don't know. There goes the lid. So that's pretty much it. Very easy to do. So, thanks for watching the video. Hey, what'd you get for Christmas? I got gastro. Hope you got something better than I got, because I've been weighing out my bum for the last few days. Thanks for watching. Bye.